Happy New Year from snowy Viridian Park City. I'm John Maxfield with Maxfield Construction and Development. The skiing and boarding has been amazing here in Park City, and we're looking forward to another great season. We've been pouring a lot of concrete, and we recently completed 2 large board-form concrete retaining walls, which are major milestones for our project and critical path items. This accomplishment will allow us to continue with the remainder of the site work and construction of the remaining infrastructure and roadways. We also completed over half the concrete pours for the building, footings, and foundations. I'm pleased to report that despite heavy snow conditions, we've managed to remain on schedule with construction, and our crews have been working overtime to make this happen. We're really excited with the progress. Framing has begun on our first 4 residences on the Cooper Lane side of Viridian, and the framers have been making great progress. You will soon see buildings really taking shape as we continue to go vertical with these residences. In a few weeks, we'll begin framing additional buildings next to the golf course fairway, and the footings and foundations are already in place for these units. Just 300 steps to the Frostwood Gondola, Viridian provides unbelievable access to Park City Mountain Resort and Canyons Village. We currently have only 10 residences remaining. For more information, please visit our on-site sales center or contact your local real estate agent.